if you're going to a sporting event this fall, you're probably going to need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this because I'm going to go to a football game this fall, and one of the things that they require are clear bags to get inside. Now, interestingly enough, this clear bag is made of the same material and is the same transparency as my swimsuit, so that's a special treat for everyone. But if you go to major sporting events, college, NCAA, NFL, probably MLB, they basically have mostly the same size restrictions. Now, that being said, if your favorite team, the Sedona Rock Painters might have different rules, so check with your local organizations. But in my case, and around here, it's mostly a clear bag, 12 by 12 by 6. So, can't be any bigger than that. Now, one of the things that I noticed here is that there are a lot of bags that advertise that. This one is pretty square, and I think the outside dimensions match that. But what is cool about this one is that, first of all, I think it's like PVC, and it's pretty durable. Feels like a really heavy beach ball or something like that. So I have no doubts that this is going to stand up to the rigors of wear. But on the outside here, this is where I think it's genius, because a lot of these bags don't have this. They have a couple of mesh pockets here for water bottles. And that's awesome, because I don't think that violates the spirit of the bag. And you don't have to take up valuable space inside with, just something like your water bottle or the baby's bottle or your Kleenex box or whatever it might be. So this is what really sold me on this one, because I think most of these are pretty much the same. So on the top we have a zipper here, so you can put in quite a bit of stuff. We also have, interestingly, a pocket here on the front so that you can have easy access to some separate things. You're putting in your rain poncho and all that stuff. Interestingly, though, if you were to put in something that's opaque on this side, it kind of makes the whole bag opaque. So, well, just have to deal with that. We also have two handles here so you can carry it like a briefcase, but I want to show you that it came with this shoulder strap, all plastic hardware. That's why this thing's $20 essentially. But we do have D-rings right here on the side, so you can clip those in, and you can keep your hands free as you are going in through security into your favorite sporting venue and carry everything just like this. So, if you want to go to a sporting event this fall and carry some stuff, that stadium blanket with you, your favorite snacks, multigrain Cheerios or whatnot, then you can bring them in as long as you have one of these. I'll put a link to this one with the cool external pockets in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.